Mimi here from Ninja Nation. Welcome to my first Mobility Monday video. Woo! So, today I wanted to propose a little challenge to test your hip mobility. All you need is a mat or the floor in your living room, a little ankle weight if you have one, or your shoe. Before you do with your ankle weight or your shoe, I would suggest to do without anything on your foot so that you know the pattern to the exercise. So lying on your tummy, I'm going to do my left leg, so I have my right arm in the overhead and my left arm beside me. Bending the knee, flexing the foot. You're going to use your glutes to lift the leg slightly. And then we're going to rotate onto your back, trying to keep your foot as horizontal as possible. From here, you're going to roll back onto your tummy. Okay, so do these a few times on both legs, and then you can start having fun with your weight or your shoe. So put your weight on your foot. And the idea is to keep the weight balanced. Here you go, and you do the same thing on the other leg. Alright, so now, if you wanted to challenge yourself a little bit more, you can use your shoe. It's a little bit more, it's a little harder because there is no weight. It's lighter, so a little harder to control. Same thing. Putting the shoe on your foot.